General Mathematics, Module 6, Solving Rational Equations and Inequalities. But we're only going to focus on solving rational equations. When we say solving rational equations, we're just merely finding the value of x, y, or z in a given equation. For activity card, you need to solve each rational equations and inequalities in the magical cards. So for letter A, you only need to answer numbers 1, 2, and 4. For assessment card, you need to answer letter A, numbers 1 to 5. Find the solutions for each rational equation below. So yung aansaran lang is letter A, numbers 1 to 5. How can we solve for this rational equation? So yung gagawin natin, let's consider the denominator. So we have 3. 3, 5, and 2. Isip tayo ng number na pwedeng i-divide sa 3, 5, and 2. So, halimbawa niyan ay 30. Yung 30, pwede siyang i-divide ng 3. Yung 30, pwedeng i-divide ng 5. At yung 30, pwede siyang i-divide ng 2. Para di kayo mahirapan, i-multiply nyo na lang yung mga denominator natin. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 times 2, that is 30. After getting 30, open and close parentheses, copy the equation 2x over 3 plus 2 over 5 is equal to 4x over 2. Ngayon, i-divide natin yung 30 sa denominator. 30 divided by 3, that is 10. I-multiply natin kay 2x. Plus 30 divided by 5, that is 6. I-multiply kay 2. Copy the equal sign. 30 divided by 2, that is 15. Multiply kay 4x. Let's multiply them. 10 times 2x, that is 20x. Plus 6 times 2, that is 12. Is equal to 15 times 4x, that is 60x. Ngayon yung gagawin natin, yung 60x ililipat sa kabila magiging negative. 20x, negative 60x, plus 12 is equal to 0. Then, subtract natin. 20x minus 60x, that is negative 40x. Copy the rest of the equation. Then, yung 12, from positive, ililipat sa kabila, magiging negative. So, this is negative 40x is equal to negative 12. So, we need to divide both sides by negative 40. Makakancel na yon. Yung natira na lang ay x equals, pag pareho negative, magiging positive 12 over 40. Kaso pwede pa natin siyang i-divide both numerator and denominator by 4. So this is x equals 12 divided by 4, that is 3. 40 divided by 4, that is 10. So this will be our final answer. Another example, we have 2 over 5 is equal to 4 over x minus 2 over 3. So again, meron tayong tatlong denominator, 5x and 3. I-multiply natin. 5 times 3, that is 15. 15 times x, that is 15x. Then copy the rest of the equation. 2 over 5 equals 4 over x minus 2 over 3. Ngayon, i-divide natin yung 15x dun sa denominator. 15x divided by 5, that is 3x. Kasi 15 divided by 5, that is 3, copy x. Then, kopyahin yung 2. Copy equal sign. 15x divided by x, 15 na lang siya. Multiply to 4. Copy minus. 15 divided by 3, that is 5. And then meron pa siyang x. Multiply to 2. Ito lahat nung numerator natin. 2, 4, 2. Next na gagawin is to multiply 3x times 2, that is 6x, equals 15 times 4, that is 60, minus 5x times 2, that is 10x. Yung negative 10x, ililipat sa kabila, magiging positives. So, this is 6x plus 10x is equal to 60. Add natin, 6x plus 10x, that is 16x equals 60. So, we need to divide both sides by 16. This will be cancelled. Natira na lang is x equals 60 over 16. Hindi pa ito yung final answer natin. We need to find the lowest term. Yung 60 at 16, pwede silang i-divide pareho ng 4. 60 divided by 4, that is 15. 16 divided by 4, that is 4. So, yung 15 over 4, wala na siyang lowest term. So, this will be our final answer. What if we have the example 4x over x plus 2 plus 3 over x is equal to 4. So, yung denominator natin is x plus 2 and x. So, kopyahin lang yung denominator, x plus 2 and x. Then, kopyahin din yung buong equation natin, which is 4x over x plus 2 plus 3 over x is equal to 4. Next na gagawin is to divide this to the denominator. Mapapansin nyo, para sila merong x plus 2. So, yung natira na lang is x. Then, copy 4x. Plus, ito naman. So, pareho sila merong x. Matitira na lang is x plus 2, copy 3 is equal to, ito naman. So, dahil wala itong denominator, kokopyahin natin yung dalawa. X plus 2, x, then copy 4. So, ito yung mga numerator natin. 4x, 3, 4. Next, let's simplify. X times 4x, that is 4x squared, plus x times 3, that is 3x. 2 times 3, that is positive 6, equals x times x, that is x squared. 2 times x, that is 2x. Then copy 4. Again, yung ginawa natin, minultiply natin x times 4x, 4x squared. X times 3, 3x. 2 times 3, 6. X times x, x squared. 2 times x, 2x. And then, kinopya natin yung 4. Next, i-multiply natin yung 4 dun sa dalawa. So, this is 4x squared plus 3x plus 6 equals 4 times x squared, that is 4x squared. 2x times 4, that is 8x. Ngayon, itong dalawang to, ililipat natin sa kabila. So, dahil positive sila, magiging negative. 4x squared, ililipat. Negative 4x squared. Plus 3x. Ililipat ito. Negative 8x. Plus 6 equals 0. Kasi nalipat na yung dalawa, kaya 0 na yung sa dulo natin. Simplify natin. 4x squared minus 4x squared. Cancel na yan. Kasi, positive tsaka negative, magiging 0 na. 3x minus 8x, that is 5, negative 5x, then copy, plus 6 is equal to 0. Yung positive 6, ililipat sa kabila, magiging negative 6. So, this is negative 5x is equal to negative 6. So, ito na yung ating new equation. Negative 5x is equal to negative 6. So, we need to divide both sides by negative 5. This will be cancelled. Natira na lang is x. Pag parehong negative, magiging positive 6 over 5. So, wala na lowest term ito. Ito na yung ating final answer. What if dalawa yung ating fraction and then kabilaan siya ng ating equal sign? First fraction, second fraction, and then kabilaan ng equal sign. Yung gagawin lang natin is to cross multiply. Copy 4, then copy 4x plus 1 equals, copy 3, then 2x minus 5. Again, yung gagawin lang is to cross multiply. 4x plus 1, 3, 2x minus 5. And then, i-multiply na natin. 4 times 4x, that is 16x, plus 4 times 1, that is 4, equals 3 times 2x, that is 6x, copy negative, 3 times 5 is 15. Ngayon, yung x, ililipat sa kabila, magiging negative. So, this is 16x minus 6x equals negative 15. Yung positive 4 naman, ililipat sa kabila, magiging negative 4. So, yung 6x, naging negative, yung 4 naging negative. Simplify natin, 16x minus 6x, that is 10x, equals negative 15 minus 4, that is negative 19. So, we need to divide both sides by 10. This will be cancelled. X is equal to, dahil magkaiba sila ng sign, ito negative, ito positive, negative yung sagot natin. 19 divided by 10, wala na siyang lowest term. So, ito na yung ating final answer. Negative 19 over 10. General Mathematics Module 7 talks about representations of rational functions. So, yung mga rational functions, they may be represented through table of values or graphs. Pero magpo-focus lang tayo sa table of values. For activity card letter A, we are given the function f of x is equal to 10 over x minus 3. And then you need to make a table of values from negative 2 to 8. So, yung gagawin nyo lang is only number 1. A table of value from negative 2 to 8. For letter B, so you need to answer number 1, f of x is equal to 4 over x minus 1. And then you need to make a table of values from negative 5 to 5. For example, we're given the function f of x is equal to 6 over x minus 4. So we need to make a table of values from negative 3 to 3. So ito yung example ng table of values. This is x and this is f of x. Yung x natin, nagre-range from negative 3 to 3. Kaya meron siyang negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Nag-start sa negative 3 at natapos sa positive 3. Paano natin hahanapin yung f of x? So, yung gagawin na natin, papalitan natin yung value ni x dito sa ating table of values. So, copyin muna yung ating equation. So, we have f of x is equal to 6 over x minus 4. Yung una nating value is negative 3. So, yung x, papalitan ko ng negative 3. So, this will be 6 over negative 3, negative 4. Yung x, pinalitan ko ng negative 3. Copy 6. Negative 3 minus 4, that is negative 7. So, dahil pareho sila, ito ay positive at ito ay negative, yung answer natin is negative. Yung 6 over 7, wala na siyang lowest term. So, this is negative 6 over 7. Yun na yung ating unang value. Lalagay lang natin dito, negative 6 over 7. Now, let's try negative 2. Copy the function. f of x is equal to 6, x minus 4. Yung x papalitan ng negative 2. So, this will be 6 over negative 2 minus 4. Copy 6. Negative 2 minus 4, that is negative 6. Dahil positive yung una at yung pangalawa ay negative, so this is negative. 6 divided by 6, that is 1. So, the answer in this one is negative 1. Now, next we have x equals negative 1. Copy the function. 6, x minus 4. Yung x natin, papalitan ng negative 1. So, this is 6, negative 1, negative 4. Copy 6. Negative 1 minus 4, that is negative 5. Dahil magkaiba sila ng sign, this is negative 6 over 5. Kasi wala na siyang lowest term. So, ilalagay lang natin siya dito. Negative 6 over 5. Now, let's try x equals 0. So, copy natin yung ating function. F of x is equal to 6 over x minus 4. Copy 6. Yung x papalitan ng 0. So, this is 0 minus 4. Copy 6. Then, 0 minus 4, that is negative 4. And then, dahil negative siya, or magkaiba sila na sign, negative, yung 6 over 4, pwede natin siyang i-lowest term. So, pwede silang i-divide both by 2. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. So, the final answer is negative 3 over 2. Isusulat lang natin siya. Next naman natin, x equals 1. Copy the function. F of x is equal to 6, x minus 4. So, yung x, papalitan ng 1. Copy 6. 1 minus 4. Copy 6. 1 minus 4, that is negative 3. So, dahil magkaiba sila ng sign, negative, 6 divided by 3, that is 2. So, this will be the value of f of x. Next, yung x, palitan naman natin ng 2. F of x is equal to 6, x minus 4. Copy 6, x palitan ng 2. Copy negative 4. 6. 2 minus 4, that is negative 2. Dahil magkaiba ng sign, negative. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So, this is negative 3. Next, last, we have positive 3. Copy the function. 6 over x minus 4. Yung x papalitan ng 3. So, this will be 6. 3 minus 4. Copy 6. 3 minus 4, that is negative 1. Dahil magkaiba ng sign, negative. 6 divided by 1 is 6. So, this is negative 6. So, this will be the table of values for the function 6 over x minus 4.